After the scorching summers, monsoon comes as a relief. There is greenery outside, the temperature is bearable, and a cool breeze greets you once you step out. While there are so many pros of this weather, your skin might not behave the best during this time. Your scalp might be greasy, itchy, you might have dandruff, frizzy hair, your skin might look oily, dull, and have acne or breakouts, and even you might end up having body odor and fungal infection. So I'm here to share some monsoon skincare tips to keep your skin problems at bay. Watch till the end. The first is to stick to your basics. Use a cleanser, moisturizer and sunscreen even during this time with few changes of course. Use lightweight creams. Do not try to layer your products. If you have oily skin type, switch to AHA, BHA containing face wash, gel and water-based moisturizer and sunscreen. But do not skip on moisturizer and sunscreen even if the weather is pleasant outside. If you have dry skin type, even the sweat that drips on your face can cause sensitivity. So switch to cream-based products or even add hyaluronic acid serum to your skincare. Avoid using makeup. Mostly, it will look cakey and unnatural because of the humid weather or outside. Also, layering of makeup can lead to breakouts. If it is really urgent to put on makeup, mix your foundation with your makeup fixer like the one from MAC in order to have a natural and dewy finish to your makeup. Use mud mask, clay mask that has been lying on your shelves in the bathroom. This is the time to put them into use. If you want me to make an elaborate video on different kinds of face masks for oily or dry skin, do comment in the comment section below and I'll definitely make a video on that. Use toners and scrubs. You would rarely find me saying this, but yes, you can use toners and scrub during this time of the year. Toners have alcohol content, so they tend to remove the excessive greasiness of your face, especially if you have oily skin. And scrubs tends to exfoliate and remove the superficial dead debris of your skin. But do not go overboard. Do not exfoliate more than once and do not use a toner more than once a day in order to avoid irritation of your skin. Your skincare is not limited to your face. It involves your body too. Body odor and fungal infection is quite common during monsoons. So wear breathable cotton fabrics including undergarments. Use antifungal dusting powder in sweat-prone areas. If you go to gym, use clothes that wick the moisture and always shower after a workout without fail. Do not allow sweat to sit on the skin and change your footwear and give them breathing time between wears. Your scalp might also not behave the best during this season. You might have greasy scalp, itchy scalp, dandruff, frizziness of hair. So increase the frequency of shampooing during this time. Increasing the frequency of shampooing will not hamper your hair health, but this will definitely control the greasiness, itchiness and dandruff of your scalp. If this does not work, use a ketoconazole-based shampoo and consult your dermatologist. For frizziness of the hair, there's an entire detailed video about the same. I'm going to address the link above here, but the quick fix for a frizzy hair is getting a keratin treatment at a spa. It is a long-standing conditioner that coats around your hair strand and keeps frizziness at bay for around 3 to 6 months, and that's how long your monsoon season lasts. So much for today, guys. Till the time, be beautiful, be influential.